Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to fix drips from spray painting furniture. In the course of spray painting your furniture, it's going to be hard for you to see a run mark. But if you get a run mark, like I have started right here for you, you can see a small amount of run marks right here. What you can do is you have a little water, because this is a water-based cleanup product. You're going to dip a brush in there. You're going to go ahead and then just very lightly stroke that drip out. You can also see drips starting to form right across here. Pull those drips in the upward position and then downward using a feather type technique, a lighter and lighter touch. As you go along, you're going to need another coat when you're done here, but it'll take care of that drip, and then you can go ahead and finish the rest of the furniture as you normally would. Taking off the drip mark, just like that. And I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop, and that was how to fix drips when spray painting furniture.